feeling like I'm torn apart, like I might be nothing. You've been leaving all these scars on everything you touch, and you got me like whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Liza Kovalenko.
But I'm holding on to something. In my mind I know that I gotta keep on shoving. Even when I'm low, yeah, I gotta keep it coming. And I'm gone, always been wrong, never could look away, never took it slow.
Liza is a fabulous Instagram model who is widely recognized for her incredible bikini and lingerie shoots.
Had your doubts. It's too late, I'm fucking done with you. So far away from what you want. I've been doing my thing, let them hang, leave me alone, it's a trap.
Liza was born on February 9, 2000, in Ukraine. She's 23 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Aquarius.
Yeah, I'm never coming back again. Apart, like I might be nothing. You've been leaving all these scars.
She's about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 53 kilograms.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, let's go, oh, yeah, let's get it.
Her estimated body measurements are 33, 24, 35 inches.
I gotta go, told you I gotta go. Running away from your drama, always put on a show. And I'm gonna leave now, I believe now. Everything that my friends say, giving me doubt. In my head, no, we're dead now, like a bleed out. I ain't never gonna.
Liza is known for her amazing slim body and has a decent following on social media platforms.
Everything to do with clout, I know you're always right and I'm wrong, I'm sick of listening to this same old song, thought we were close, you just in it for the gain. I ain't here to play these games, so leech on another name.
So, what are your thoughts on Liza? Isn't she absolutely stunning?
Life, look away, you don't wanna see me, okay? I got through the pain, you're still stuck on being too vain.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
You've been leaving all these scars on everything you touch, and you got me like, whoa.